Good morning, student. Today we will solve another example of assignment model for non-square matrix. Here see problem number 4.11. See the problem. United Technical Institute has received the quotation of from 6 companies for equipment which will be used in their laboratory development. Each company has sent their quotation for 4 subjects. Find out the optimal under selection the institute such that has minimum cost is given in rupees. Here see the tabular form, different 6 companies and 4 subject, and resources value is rupees internal. First we have see the matrix is non-square matrix. That means here 4 subject and 6 companies. So first of all, matrix is non-square form and required to add dummy rows which resources value is 0 rupees. 6 companies, that means 2 dummy rows add D1 and D2. So here we see 2 dummy rows, we will add D1 and D2 and resources value is 0. Then find out the minimum value of each row for subtracting the elements of that row. So we get following matrix different companies. See second matrix. First row minimum value is 824. So 824 rupees subtracted by first row each resources. So we will get 853 minus 824 is equal to 29. 900 minus 824 is equal to 76. 875 minus 824 is equal to 51. 824 minus 824 is equal to 0. 891 minus 824 is equal to 67, and last 913 minus 824 is equal to 89. So first row we will get the different value 29, 76, 51, 0, 67, 89. Second row minimum value is 789. So we will subtracting the 789 of second row each resources. So we will get the value 0, 56, 205, 15, 104 and 95. Third row minimum value is 285. The third row we will subtracting each resources 285 rupees. So we will get 535, 28, 0, 380, 519 and 812. Fourth row minimum value is 346. So we will subtract fourth value 346 by each resources. So we will get 497, 0, 516, 487, 504 and 509. Last dummy row and dummy row 1 and 2 we will all get resources value is 0. So then we will show the each column has 1 0 value. So each column has 1 0 value is present. So then we will assign the value. First we will assign the value is 0. We will get square block. That row and that column we will not assign any value. If assign, so we will get, if any value is 0, तो we will get क्रॉस रिमार्क्स. फर्स्ट रो में हमने देख सकते हैं, फर्स्ट रो में हमने 0 असाइनमेंट को स्क्वायर ब्लॉक किया, तो उस रो में और उस कॉलम में कोई भी दूसरा असाइनमेंट होगा तो वहाँ हम क्रॉस कर देंगे. दैट मीन्स उस रो और उस कॉलम में कोई भी दूसरा असाइनमेंट नहीं होना चाहिए. सेकंड रो में हमने फर्स्ट असाइनमेंट ले लिया, तो उस रो में और उस कॉलम में जो भी असाइनमेंट हो वहाँ हम क्रॉस कर देंगे. तो लास्ट सेकंड 2 0 है तो वहाँ क्रॉस कर दिया. थर्ड रो में भी हमें फर्स्ट 0 मिल गया, तो उस रो में और उस कॉलम में भी कोई भी असाइनमेंट होगा दूसरा तो हम क्रॉस कर देंगे. फोर्थ रो में भी हमें सेकंड असाइनमेंट मिल गया है 0, तो वहाँ बॉक्स कर दिया, और उस रो में और उस कॉलम में कोई भी असाइनमेंट होगा तो वहाँ क्रॉस कर देंगे. सेम टू सेम लास्ट रो डमी रो D1 एंड डमी रो D2. दैट रो एंड दैट कॉलम if any assignment present, so we will get the cross mark. So we will see the each row and each column we will given a one assignment. So that assignment, that means subject 1 to 6 different company and factory D, A, C, B, D1 and D2. So we will total optimal cost is add total rupees. That means first D, that is 824 plus 789 plus 285 plus 346 plus 0 plus 0. That means total optimal cost is 2,24,400 rupees. Here example is non-square matrix. So first of all we will get the square matrix, that means dummy row and dummy column add and solve by assign the matrix. Thank you.